we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of HONGDONG 4800 PSI plus 2.8 GPM power washer electric. That's include powerful motor. Powerful 1800 watt motor generates up to 4800 PSI plus 3.2 GPM max cleaning power. Electric pressure washers. Electric powered can clean cars, bicycles, fences, sidewalks, walls, gardens, yards, outdoor furniture and more. Professional safety design. Thanks to Total Stop System or TSS, the motor automatically shuts off when releasing the trigger to saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. The safety lock protects kids from accidentally triggering the spray gun. Lightweight machine. Portable high-pressure washers complete with accessories stored on corresponding hook of the unit after use, and the special wheels make the mobile washer as convenient. Easy to move around as a mobile trolley case. 25 feet longer hose gives you superior reach to pour water over the roof of the hose and other hard-to-reach places. 5 quick connect nozzles. The 0 degrees tip delivers super high pressure for dissolving stubborn substances on hard surface. The 15 degrees tip delivers high pressure for concrete and brick with hard surface. The 25 degrees tip delivers medium pressure for wood decks, vinyl sidings with soft surface. The 40 degrees tip provides low pressure for windows and screens with fragile surfaces. The attached foam cannon can produce rich bubbles to wash your car. Freely select the high pressure nozzle best suited to your task. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.